This will be a battery test for the GoPro 7 Black. Fun fact, if you leave your GoPro turned off with the voice command enabled, voice control enabled, it will eat your 10% of the battery in 10 hours. So 10% in 10 hours will be eaten. Now let's charge this battery to 100% and let's see how long it will last. GoPro 7 Hero Black, 99%, 98% of the battery. Let's hit recording. Where's the recording? Recording, and let's see why it's not getting in focus. Let's see how long it will last. I have the timer somewhere here. Let's start. How long it will last. So 31 minutes and we have 44% of battery. And the GoPro turned on itself because of the overheating. It's overheats. It's so warm. Let's turn it on again. This part right there, it's hot. You can burn yourself in here, in this part. It's too hot. 59%. Let's turn it on again, and maybe let's put it outside. So the GoPro is dead. 58 minutes plus minus 2 minutes, let's say an hour of recording with one overheat in the middle of this 1 hour. So in half an hour it's overheat. That's a bummer with this overheat. This part was very hot. It still is. I don't know what's in here, but it is extremely hot. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.